RIPs.
You remove the RIP?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check. So IP route. Okay. I RIP right previously. Okay.
Yeah.
It has removed. Okay. Now you configure your EIGRP.
EIGRP. Router
Okay,
EIGRP
router.
question mark.
You can give any number. You can give question mark like whichever number, but it should be same.
Yeah.
Okay. So 10 I'll give inside.
Okay.
Which are the network running here? 192.168. 1.0, right?
1.0. Yeah.
Okay. And
Network 10.
network
10.
10.0. The loopbacks also created, right?
Yes.
Which are the loopbacks are available here? Do show IP interface brief. 10 network, right?
Yes.
172.10.1.0.
1.0.
Right?
Yeah.
Then 2.0.
3.0.
3.0. And 4.
4.0.
That's it. Show IP route EIGR. So now it's not loading, so we have to configure with this router.
Yeah.
Let's configure this one also. Router EIGRP network 192.168 2.0, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then
10 network.
10.0 network. Now we can see adjusting is forming, right?
Yes.
So network and one more network, right?
20 network.
20.0.
And check which are the loopbacks are available here.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದತೆ
Network 172.
ನಾನು ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ನಿನಗಂತ ಫೋನೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಂತು ಈಗ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಂತು
3 network
4.
and 4 network. Show IP route EIGRP. You can see, right? It has formed the neighborship of 10 network. So 10 network all belongs to whom? Router 1, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, this is the metric calculation, how it has been calculated.
Okay.
Okay, same thing for your R3. Show IP route RIP. Okay, you are removed, right?
Yeah.
Router EIGRP 10 network. This is 3.0 network, right?
Yeah.
Then 20.0.0.0.
0.
Okay. And loopbacks
30. 30.
30, right?
30.
Network 172.30.1.0. 2, 3, and 4. Show IP route, right? Previously. So it has formed all things, right? Can I able to ping from here?
Yes.
Router 3 to router 1. Yes, has reachability.
Yes.
Then any 2 is there, 1.2. Yes, 1.3. PCs, end user PCs for R1. Yes, and check from R1 whether these guys found. Ping 192.168 3.1. Yes, I can reach. Then 4. We'll check for the loopbacks now. 172.30.1.1. Yes, I can reach. 2.1. 3.1. I can reach, right? For all.
Yes.
Okay. So do show IP route EIGRP. So I can get all information, right, for the router 3. This
Yeah.
all information. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you type, you can see a lot of information, right? So go to global configuration mode. Okay, router EIGRP10. So no auto summary. If you give this, what happens? It will show you only the main routes.
Okay.
It will not show you the subnetting, which is inside or running. It will show you the only main network.
Okay.
But before it will take, no need to give. Understood, guys? So everyone is pinging with each other.
Yeah.
So now we'll do one. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We'll add one PC here. Okay, I'll add one laptop here. So using this laptop, I don't want to jump on R1, R2, R3. So from here, I can access all 3 routers. I can configure whatever I want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For that, what we have to do? I want to from this laptop because usually they will not give direct access to routers, guys. Remember.
Okay.
You have to bring your laptop, connect to these ones. Okay, you have to they'll create your username and password, these things, access to this all router and configure. Because especially usually network engineers, so they will be given these things, guys. So let's, I think DSCP, I think he must get the IP address.
No. Not going. No.
Okay. So now we got it right. So what we have to do now? What we have to configure here? I want that new laptop. Okay. I should be able to access all 3 routers. Where I want to configure my MD5 authentication. So for that, to access the 3 routers, okay, what I should configure?
Telnet.
Yes, very good. Terminate. Okay, username, I will give Cisco.
Yeah.
Privilege, I will give all privilege. I'll password, I will give Cisco. Okay. Line VTY
0 to 4.
0 to 4. Login local.
Local. Yeah.
Right. And same thing you have to configure from router 2 as well.
Okay.
Sorry. Username also, I will create Cisco. Okay. So that will just to avoid confusion, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Password also I'll give same because it's not a real device, right? Line
TY.
VTY 0 and 4. Login local. Okay, same thing I'm going to configure with this router as well.
Okay.
Okay, so now I should be able to access from this router, right? I think, can we access from here? Okay, let's check. 192.168, I think 1.1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I can access, right?
Yes.
Cisco,
Cisco.
right? I can able to access
Yes.
my router.
Yes.
Okay. And show IP, route EIGRP. I can see all the routes, right?
Yes.
Show IP, EIGRP, neighbor. I can see. Show EIGRP traffic. You can see all this topic, how many packet has been delivered. So hello message, how many times he has sent, received 90 times. Update has been received and query noted because it's not down. Once the network come down and up, okay, again this number will change. Same thing for topology table. You can see topology table has become very big now because a lot of loopbacks we have created, right?
Yeah.
4 loopbacks in all these routers. Okay, so I can see from this router I can access all the devices, right? If you type exit, yes. So again it asking here, it asking again and again. If I because trying to 1.1 because I do not like this. So what I will do? Yes, I will go to the prompt. From here I want to access telnet 192.168. I think 2.1, right?
Yeah.
2.1. Okay. Cisco. Show IP route EHRP. So I can see, right?
Yeah.
Show IP EHRP neighbors. You can see router 3.
Yeah.
Traffic, you can see. Show EHRP topology. Here topology also we can see. You can see here in topology if you see. So one successor routes. So feasibility is your this bandwidth. This is the metric calculation how it has been calculated. The feasible will be changed. Okay. And this is your successor route. This is a bandwidth like metric calculation how it has been calculated. So can we check for R3 now? Can we access from how do I access from R3 here? Type
Yes.
exit. Okay. Then ping to 3.1. Okay. Cisco. Can I access router 3, right?
Yes.
So IP route EHRP. Okay, even I can ping from here. 192.168.1.1. Okay, I can ping, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it interesting, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So your next job is guys, this topology. This one you have to do it. Okay, so I am not giving the any IP address for you guys. You have to select your own IP address because when you implement any network, being a network engineer, okay, your customer is not going to give any details to you. He will give the only device.
Yes.
It's up to you how you connect, which IP address. Okay, I have this number of PCs, this number of employees, these are the devices. Is up to you. Okay, how do you use it and which IP address? Okay, everything we have to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so select your and make sure that don't use my IP address, use your different IP address. Okay, do you want this topology to send you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think it is there in my, let me check. Okay, this is, I think this is right. Uploading. Okay, so same thing has sent to you guys. So please configure. First, understand what are the things you have to configure, guys. See, in each router, okay, there are 2 switches are connected. Okay, so this is your switch 1 and this is your switch 2. Your switch 1, this is switch 2, this is switch 1 and this is your switch 2. Total 6 switches.
Yeah.
Okay, and 4 loopbacks in each routers. Once you have configured with your EHRP, okay, so then we have to configure this router on stick, where we are creating your VLAN 10, 20, 30. So in this link, okay, we have to create what? You have to create sub interface. Understood, guys?
Yeah, it's a configure. The 3 steps you have to. Can you just repeat it? Touch. Configure AI
Okay.
GRP. Second one.
We have to configure the EHRP for all the routers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then they should communicate. These all guys should communicate with each other.
Mm-hmm.
First task.
Mm.
Then once you have done this, these loopbacks, these all people should configure with each other.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I want to give some other tasks apart from this. So loop back, you give the AS number with 100. This all loopbacks. Only loop back should communicate. Okay. For this standard network, EHRP, AS, you give 10 for these two.
Okay.
Once you have done this, then jump to your router on stick, and they should communicate with each other. At the same time, they also should communicate with each other. And this is one organization infrastructure, guys. So if you've done this, so I'll be very happy. You make my weekends. You will do, or you will try, or will give up.
We'll try, like
We'll
assessment
We'll, yes.
Right now.
right now.
Right. We can try, but right now it's like it will take
Oh,
more than expected
yeah,
time.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Okay.
can
So
take it as
anyhow, I said
assessment.
We'll take this as an assessment.
Yeah,
Assessment.
assessment.
Yeah.
Monday will show
because
for.
same topology I'm using for OSPF on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
take it up as an assessment. We'll shoot on like on Monday. You will be
Okay.
happy.
Okay. Okay then. So then what I will
Start
do, I will start with doing with the MD5 authentication. What is this MD5 authentication in your EHRP? So let me explain that. See, this is my router where I have connected. So this is how we'll connect, right? This is my R1 and R2. So as usual, I think this is the switch how we connect. Usually we can connect your server, laptops, whichever device you want. And we are going to configure your EIGRP here. With the EAS number, you can say 10. Okay, now, so what is this MD5 authentication? MD5 is message digest 5 authentications. When, okay, we configure with the key chain value. For example, you have given key string value Cisco. Okay, the same thing should be configured with the key chain value Cisco here, okay, and Cisco here. Then only, so this guy will exchange their updates to this and this. Authentication, key authentication. Password code, guys, to exchange their updates. Even though they can communicate, once if you are given MD5 authentication one side, so your entire updates will be deleted in the routing table. So as you know that, what are the table it form? EHRP.
3 tables.
Okay, so
Neighbor
what are the
table,
tables?
topology, and routing table.
Okay, neighbor table,
Topology table and a routing table.
topology, and a routing table.
Routing.
Okay, same thing. This is for EHRP1. Okay, and EHRP2. Same thing here also, right? Neighbor table, topology table, and routing table. Same thing here.
Yeah.
So when you're given your MD5 authentication here, okay, so these updates, what you have received here is going down. Okay. If you give the key string value, the key value, CIS, Cisco, you have given both sides. So then they will authenticate because where if any guy is trying to connect the router, so what happened means he's trying to share the entire update right to him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, when you have this one authentication, he'll not give the update, and he cannot give its new update because authentication is not configured here. And authentication has configured with a different string value. Say example, this is like I have given Vikas here. Means they will not share their updates, even though they have configured with the same AS. Okay, that is your MD5 authentication. Okay, so this lab will do now. This is my. Okay, I will do with this topology.
Taj, is this is the one similar to the WhatsApp, the two-step verification what they have? That is the one, right?
Yes, yes.
They're using this is the same authentication. That is the one.
Authentications. Okay. Okay. So go to global configuration mode. Okay. So key. Okay. Key chain is asking the word. So I'll give simple word Cisco. Okay. Just to remember. Okay. So IP. So I can give key. So key, I can give this number of keys I can give. So right now I will give just key 1. Okay. To generate and exit. Okay, so then what we have to do, go to interface, which interface you want to give, from where? Gigabytes 0/0/1, right? From this interface,
Yes.
right? From where we are getting the updates, right? So IP authentication, give the question mark. So key chain, it last like key chain for which protocol? For EAGRP, I think 10 we have given, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and key chain word. Okay, word I will give Cisco. You can see, right? The adjacency neighbor has been changed. Key chain change. It is down. Can you see? Showing down.
Yes.
Here it's down. So what about this side? This also is up now. Okay, is coming down again. Let's check with this guy. Try show IP route EIGRP. Okay, so this guy still he has the updates, right? Fine. Suppose if you type this a command, okay, debug EIGRP packet is keep on sending the file because please change the keyword to get the update from this. I don't want to give this up as if now. You can see this guy. So this guy has been, network has been down. So if you type IP authentication mode EIGRP10 and MD5 authentication, I'll give, okay, now it is down completely. So now if you give check here, authentication failure, can you see? So this guy's network is not receiving now, right? Same thing I have to configure here also. So what I have to configure, key chain. So what I will give, same thing Cisco. Key I will give 1, exit and exit. Go to gigabytes 0/0/1 IP authentication. Okay, key chain K EAGRP10.
Cisco.
Cisco, okay, Cisco. Then IP authentication key chain. So EAGRP 10. Sorry, I think key chain. This time mode. Okay, EAGRP 10. MD5. Cisco, right? Is it correctly we have given? Yes. So type here show IP route EAGRP. So now again we received it, right? See, no new adjustments here be found because each and match right now. Show IP route EAGRP. So now we have received it. This is called your MD5 authentication. MD5 means message digest. Digest. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions, guys? Today I want to take till 5:30, guys, if you don't mind.
Sure, no problem.
Any question? Bharat, Vineja, Saundarya, Swati,
No touch.
Jessica, Kritika. Why weekend started? The other reason your battery is down.
Weekend started, battery should be up actually.
We put for
Battery should be up,
charge.
right?
Getting charged.
Getting charged a weekend, 2 days.
Uh,
Do a lot of hands-on, guys. So Monday
Yeah.
again,
Yes, touch.
here. I'm going to start, then BGP, redistribution, then ACL, NATing,
Mhm.
Uh,
and VPN,
Okay.
and WAN technology also I'm going to discuss. Wireless also I'm going to discuss.
Okay.
No more questions?
No touch.
No touch.
MD5 authentication understood?
Yes. Yes.
The same topology which I did here. Okay, can you configure MD5 authentication, guys? Let me save this one. Okay, you want me to send this file, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I think yesterday we did this one, right? Same topology I have given to you. Okay, so this is little bit complicated. So can we configure MD5 authentication here? I think here I need to change to RIP, I think, right? To EAGRP. We'll configure your MD5 authentication here for this topology. Swati, can you do it?
No touch.
Like commands are very simple, right? We need 2-line commands and in all the routers. Okay, you configure at least telnet, guys. I want to access. Okay, I'll put one laptop here. Okay, let me take end user device. Okay, I'll put one laptop here. I want to access this all 3 router from my laptop. Who will do this? Is it getting overloaded that for you guys?
No.
So I want, because I want this guy should access. We have started annotations. Okay, from this laptop, okay, I must able to access this my R1, R2, and R3 as well. So what we have to configure on this router? You have to configure your telnet. Same thing here also, we should configure this router telnet. Okay, same thing here also, you should configure your telnet. That's it, right?
Yes, Taj.
Yeah.
Okay, so who are ready to do this?
I'm ready, Taj.
Yes, very good.
Telnet is same thing now. Actually,
Okay.
MD5, I'm not remember that comments.
Huh?
MD5, you want to configure, right?
MD5.
Previously,
We have just
you
learned
said to
now, right?
configure.
So yeah,
Mm,
we need some hands-on, so only we can remember the comments.
Yeah.
Comments.
yes.
That MD5, the MD5 you can configure, no issues. Like MD5 you can configure later, no issues. That is not a big problem. Okay. So can we start, guys, now? How do I remove this? Okay, so you can access the request, guys. Swati, right? Yeah, Swati.
Yes.
Okay, so I think now you can access now. Okay, let me off my camera now. I think my cursor is not working. I don't know why. I want to remove this annotation. How do I remove, guys?
Just click on that arrow bar cursor is there, right? Next to that one. You can just try it once.
Yeah, I clicked there.
It's
Still,
not working. Then go to settings and again you can close it.
you want to click here. I think it should come.
Or press the escape button, it may go.
It's not going. I
But that's not
pressed.
what to do.
Your setting also like only I.
What if we click on delete or something?
Delete means like what are the things I write here? That only will delete. If I write something, you can say like when I job because means like we can delete that. And this is also eraser. This is highlighter. This is your pen. This is your this thing.
No, it went, I think so. It's on
This thing.
read-only mode. It's there. You can only view annotations to make any changes. Ask the owner for edit access.
I think
You can just close it and reopen that one. That's
which one?
that same application. What you're opened it.
Oh, okay, okay. Now it is gone. Because I had taken this part, you can see this annotation. So I think Swati has control now. I think now Swati can able to access now. Check Swati, can you able to access or not?
Yes, Taj.
I hope, I think your internet is good.
Yeah, 70 Mbps speed.
Then enough, I think. Even 50 is enough for online guys training. Minimum 50 required.
Yeah.
Swati, you have access, right?
Yes, Taj. But I can't open this router.
Can you open right now?
Yes, Taj, but it's working slowly.
Now you check. I think still you have not taken access.
No, Taj, I have taken.
Your internet speed is 17 or 70? 570.
70, but now it's getting, I think, around 40.
Okay.
You're using
Because-
wireless, right?
Mm.
For wireless, you will get only that much. That's a 75 for only for the LAN direct cable if you activate.
See guys,
Mine
for
is
online
30
training, guys,
normal.
guys, for online training, please don't connect with the wireless guys always. Remember. For trainings and meetings, this thing, because even I have got high speed also. I'm using cable.
Okay.
But
My
Taj,
POP.
it's not taking
Yeah.
actually. I'm typing, but it's not showing.
For that, I have to do some circus in our.
I'll do one thing. I'll cancel and I'll give once again.
Okay.
Let's check everything from your side. Now you check. But I could not see your cursor on the screen, Swati.
No, Taj, actually, router one has been opened, but I'm not able to put the comments.
Who has got good speed? Any other? Soundarya, I think Yashika, Vineja. Where is Emelda, guys? She is there?
Don't know. Mine is not good, sir. Yesterday I tried, right? It wasn't working.
Let me try.
Okay, so let me give to Rakesh. We'll see.
Mine is 30 Mbps. I think still I was able to that time.
Yes. Check Rakesh from your side.
I think I have. Okay, this annotations is there.
We can't see your cursor.
Actually, this.
Only that screen is
Yeah.
available. Only that topology. Now it is available.
Yeah, now you see.
Now it's coming. It's coming.
No, I know. I'll show you 1 second. How it shows. There is something on the screen which is not going. I mean, on your screen.
You do one thing, guys.
It says
on
read
your
only. You
screen
can
it
only
is.
view the annotations.
Bro, just
then
the
you can
cross link
cancel
close
it.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅದ್ ನೀವು cancel
ನೀವು
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
cancel ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
Okay.
Swati, you do one thing. Just give me your access. Let's check internet. I will access your this laptop. Packet
Okay.
Give me the access.
Yeah, 1 second.
For morning batch, I did not explain MD5 authentication.
So means we are faster little bit.
Yes. But they are doing the big topology. What I have given to you, right?
Yeah.
They were doing the 2-3 guys. They have done it.
Okay.
Taj, actually my Teams is hanging. I'm not able to do anything in the screen.
Mhm. So any others? Let me check.
Shall I share my screen?
Yes, yes. Share your screen and give me access.
Able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay.
So you are doing very big topology, man.
No, this one I did it, but so here I'm stuck here. Give the middle IPs. I have to do it.
Okay, I will request to you.
Okay. Yeah, you have.
Can I open new one, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Same. Can I take the existing one?
Here, 1 second. I'll show you my labs here.
Yeah.
And
Open existing one. Just I will check like how this thing.
yeah. Anyone you can take it. No, RIP at
Fine.
static.
Yes, I will take RIP. Okay, so take router.
Raj, how do you do just by clicking once and you'll be
Control and click. You'll be able
Control.
to do it.
Oh, is
Control
it?
click.
Control.
Okay.
I think from your side is slow, guys. I'm sure.
Yes, Taj.
Hmm.
Yeah, obviously because you were sitting in 485 speed.
500 we sitting in 30 Mbps.
Yeah,
Badur now.
and difference is there.
Other people.
45% ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು.
Okay, by clicking on this control, we can rapidly connect to each other or other devices.
Yes.
Important.
I think from my side, I think no problem, right? I can able to do
Yeah.
it for your lab.
Yeah.
From my side.
Yeah.
I think when you access means, I think you are uploading. Please check what is the speed of uploading.
Yes.
Mine
The
upload
data
is 30.
copy is-
Mine upload is 30 also. So I was able to access your remote connection. I think other people would have lesser upload speed.
So even at my home also it has got 200. So recently I have changed to 500.
Usually the upload speed will be a little less comparatively. So mine is 30 is there, 30 download and 30 upload is there. So I was able to access little bit your screen when you shared at that time. So, Swati, right? Swati, you can check your upload speed.
Upload speed is 40.
Oh, but still.
But I don't know.
What? Why? Who is the ISP?
40 means guys, recommended guys, please connect with router to cable guys. Don't use a wireless.
Okay.
And it is opening something else, guys. If I open.
Okay.
Why it is not opening?
I think you're pressing tab, I guess.
Hmm?
Yeah, press the tab button.
But tab also it's opening some your window, Rakesh window is opening.
Yeah. I don't think the tab key will work, when you're in remote section. So
Okay, then even if I type check my speed, man. What is my speed? So mine is almost I think 400 Mbps download.
so
Hmm. So my upload is I think 250 Mbps.
wow.
Still, I don't know why I'm not able to access your
Router
this.
actually.
No. The enable. I'm typing enable.
Yes, that's the same thing I have faced.
When you have typed enable, right? If you have pressed the tab key, it will come to the screen again. You will not be able to access it.
But I'm not typing tab key. Just have giving the command.
Enable, yes.
Enable. I'm pressing enter. If I press enter, I think
Yeah.
it's opening. It's popping up other window.
Oh, okay.
Thanks.
For this, I think for this solution, I think I have for this. I think in Outlook there is option is there, or desk sharing also is there. I think you have a VPN, right, for all of you guys.
Yes, that.
So let me connect to VPN. We'll see. I cannot. We have separate this thing. See, I cannot type anything here. So I have type enable here.
Yes.
So I cannot type.
Yes, thanks.
So now it is coming, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
Show IP interface brief. I have typed already. Now it is coming.
Yeah.
Right? If I type global configuration mode.
Yeah. Post.
Interface gigabytes 0/0/1 0/0/0.
IP address.
IP address 192.168. Sorry, this is middle one, right? Middle network. 10.1. So let it give some different IP address, guys.
Yeah.
I will give 1.1.1.com.
Okay.
255.0.0.0. I will give monster. Okay, if I had typed tab key, that's the reason it's gone somewhere.
Yeah. Again, you have to click on the screen.
Yes, I click on the screen, then I press enter. Okay, now it is coming, right?
Yeah.
Exit. Then interface. This is one.
192. 1.1.
Oh, again, hit that press. I think in WebEx, I think Cisco is a partner for Cisco. I think Cisco WebEx also is there, guys. So there is very accurate and very fast. It is already installed but when you try to give your official email address, try to log in, we need to take the permission from IT team.
No.
Yeah, because that is very for especially remote accessing and all those things, sharing files, sharing your desktop resource. That is very good app, Cisco WebEx.
Okay.
I think we need to talk with your managers, especially for the training. So maybe I think next batch we'll ask them to do that. Today, actually, I thought to train in EVNG on my server, but I forgot it. But thing is, that file I cannot share to you.
Yeah. You only see the simulation.
Yeah, this is all we are doing is simulations. So there I can show the real lab guys.
Yeah.
So I think we'll stop controlling guys.
Sure.
I don't know why it's what is the problem, I think. I hope it's clear, right? How does it work?
Yes.
Your real ERP, all of you,
Yes.
right?
Yes, Saj. Yes.
And it was very interesting, guys, because when you do this, keep doing lab.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can learn many. But thing is, we have to practice every day, guys.
Yes.
Every day you need to practice. When you're not in practice, because same topology I'm using in coming labs. Keep doing it, it will come. No problem. You can do your stimulations. I think and stimulation also I showed to you yesterday, right?
Yes.
Packets, how packet will stimulate from this server to say this server.
Okay.
When you open this packet, we can see, right? It will broadcast first time. It will broadcast to all. All people will get reject. Only this guy will router will accept.
Okay.
I think yesterday I told you, right?
Yes.
How this R function is here. Now ICMP is getting reply. Now this guy will send to this guy. You can see. So once it's getting reply, we'll open that packet. And it will come to this server, right? And this guy will check who is this 1.5. First time it will send all these people will reject. Can you see the packet, right? Now this guy will reply. Just open this packet now. You can see, right? Your destination became changed now. Target IP is 2.1. Means he has to reply this guy. The protocol which you are using, you can see router has running your EIGR. That information also we can see. This is called a packet analyzing. And usually this is very little information, guys. Actually, when you check, okay, so there is just some softwares, okay. So let me show you that. I think network monitoring tools. If you talk about list open source, also there some of the open source free network monitoring tools. Okay, so if you type list And see, this is a free demo they will give. Here we can deeply we can analyze health, network devices, health, traffic. This is guys. This is how I used to check guys previously.
Okay.
Demo piece also we can check. Demo, they'll give trial. Retail edition for PRGT is free for life. Okay, 100 free sensors, free alarm, free visualizations and report featuring free access to pre-configured sensor for the most popular manufacturers. Okay. PRGT network monitoring. So I will install in my server. Let's see. He has given free because Indians are very good in free. Whichever comes free, they'll come. Right? And see, these are the things list of network monitoring as real-time network usage monitoring. You can see this is a list of traffic analysis. Network management, health, real-time production, network traffic controlling, historical background, and this is very helpful information, guys. Mobile applications, bandwidth monitoring, remote monitoring. Okay, there's a team for remote monitoring also, guys, in NTT. What are the things we are doing? There's a team to monitor that one. Okay, your bandwidth management. This is a list of bandwidth management. Do you want priced quote? Yes. For how many interface? See, look at this, guys. This is also very important for you guys. You can able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
See, because the cost will be depending upon the number of users because he's asking the input from us. Okay, how many interfaces you want to monitor? Okay, so let me connect, consider 100. Email, business, phone, country. Okay, so let me enter. Let's see what details they will send to me. You give the name. Okay, business, I'll give my business this thing. Let's see what details they will send. I have the two things and not use this one. Okay, so let me send this. I'll let you know how much cost they will send.
Sure.
You will get idea, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you for interesting managing engine flow. Okay, the most thing guys. So as per this thing guys, I've seen some of the network monitoring tools. 13 best network monitoring tools. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for, guys. Network administrator expert. Okay, SolarWind is gun, which I was talking about, right? So nowadays, many organizations they are using the SolarWind. So they will give 30 days trial versions. You can see right on the screen. So this will capture your network monitoring, your bandwidth traffic monitoring. Okay. So whichever the network related, so we can install this one. They will give for 30 days. So awake free trial version also. Data doc network monitoring. Okay, so Paces PRG network, which we have just now I registered, right, for 30 days.
Yes.
So packet sniffing, DHCP sniffing also it monitors. Manage engine operation manager. CHKM key, I don't know, this guys I don't know. Progress WhatsApp Gold. SolarWind is very enough information because I use this one. we can see the traffic throughout the world, guys. So which we have the branch, okay, from Europe and UK, these things, which is connected to Australia and Japan. So we can see how much bandwidth traffic is they are moving.
Okay.
You can monitor them. Remember this job. Maybe shortly you are going to work in this. I think for entities, they have the customers right throughout the world, especially for the US and UK,
Okay.
and Europe countries and Singapore, Australia.
So
There are
like
a lot of
this is
customers.
for VPN tunnel like that only, right? For SolarWind.
No, VPN, this SolarWind is a network monitoring tools. Okay, how the traffic is moving. Okay, what bandwidth they are consuming, how many people are accessing, what they are accessing, what time they are logging, what time they log out. Okay, so is there any packet drop? Okay, from which side to which side?
Okay,
And
before it was SitePod VPN, right?
okay, before that, they'll configure the VPN for secure communication. Suppose you can see screen, right? So we can see this UK and Australia. Okay, they will configure the VPN from site to site. Okay, for secure communication, data will be encrypted. And for network engineers means they have to monitor like traffic movement. Okay, you're not bothered about the VPN. VPN will be pre-configured.
Yeah, okay, sure.
But now we are
And here,
checking VPN status in the SolarWind by using this SolarWinds. That's why Varun asking.
Yeah,
no,
yes,
no.
correct, Swati.
Yeah.
As of now, we are using
Yeah,
SolarWind.
SolarWinds for VPN to check VPN status.
Like if the whole site, if the whole site
Region.
is down, all the region is down means we'll get the alert for that, saying that VPN is flapped or VPN is down, like that. So we'll go for the further troubleshooting call if the VPN is down or if the VPN is flapped.
Okay, it means you're doing this job?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, that.
Just we are checking VPN status.
So VPN, like which one? What are the challenges you have faced there? Site to site, remote VPN, and which protocol they are using?
No, that just we are check VPN status for particular region.
That's it. Apart
That's
from
it.
that,
That's it.
Okay. Key feature SMP monitoring, automated discover current network packet analysis. This is very important. Intelligent network map with net path, create Wi-Fi heat map, alert system report. These are listed 30 days. You can download and can use it. And this is the other one. Huge gas networking has become very huge now.
Yeah.
Datadog network monitoring. Look at that. They don't find any good name to give. Datadog. Datadog network monitoring, network performance monitoring. These are cloud based. Okay, this is very important. I think they have done a very great job, guys. They are totally based on cloud based SaaS infrastructure monitoring services that examine network traffic flow. I think SaaS means, right? Software as a service.
Software as a service.
Yes, software as a service. One more thing, guys. The cloud, guys. If you want to learn the cloud technology, okay, especially for cloud network infrastructure on the cloud, if you learn networking, okay, 50% the cloud computing, cloud technology you learn already.
Okay.
50 to 60%. Same thing for cybersecurity.
Okay.
If you want to learn your cybersecurity, if you know networking good in that, you already learn 50-60%. Remaining only 40 or 50% if you put some effort So we can learn cyber security and this one also cloud. Nothing is there.
Yeah.
I've already started taking this one training also. Cloud and cyber security. Ethical hacking training also I have given last year many trainings.
Okay.
And I'm also planning to take CISM and CISSP.
Okay.
So this is just information, guys. Just I share to you. Okay. So I think EHRP, guys. So please, the topology which I shared to you. So we can start it now. So please work out on this. Play some hands-on, do some hands-on experience for especially for RIP, for your RIP, static routing, and EHRP.
Sure.
These two routers. If you run these because Monday I'm going to start the OSPF. So if possible, I'll complete also your this thing. BGP I'll start, then redistributions, then ACL, then NAT, then VPN, then
Sure.
wireless. Maybe I think next week I want to complete as early as possible tomorrow, next Friday.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So can we stop the session now?
Yes.
Sure, Taj.
Okay. So do you have any question to ask, guys? Soundarya, Kirtika,
No, Taj.
Rakesh, Satya,
No, Taj.
No, no.
Piyush. I think very less people today.
Weekend started.
Hmm? Now you want me to take attendance?
Yeah.
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 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
I think 13 people are here.
13, 14, 15 people said that.
At least 15 are there.
Yeah, I think so. They're on the call.
Where is Imelda and Jai Shiva? There.
Yes, there. Taj.
Okay. Bharat Venkatesh,
Yeah, hi, Taj, I'm here.
Jai Shiva, Varun Kumar,
Yes, Taj, I am here only.
Yashika,
I'm here, Taj.
Mohammed Sawil absent. Dheeraj Kumar, Divya Bharati, Abhilesh, Shashikant, Piyush is absent today.
Mm-hmm.
Girish, are you there? Lakshmi. Okay, guys. I think we'll stop these things. I think we'll see you on Monday.
Yeah.
The new topics. Okay. Happy weekend, guys.
Happy
Happy
weekend to you.
weekend.
Happy weekend to you too, Taj.
Thank you very much, guys. See you on Monday.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you,
Taj.
Taj.
Thank you, Taj.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Right.